looking, and I could definitely do like 20,000. Now, why am I holding a fucking of a gun, dude? Jesus. I fucking hate Crash, dude. I don't like either one of these maps, but fucking Crash, dude. Are you fucking serious?
Enemy!
Run!
Reloading!
What are we all doing in here? What the fuck are we doing? Fuck, get down. Get down. What are you doing? Fuck! Fucking dumbass.
Dang!
Whoa.
We've taken a lead.
Tango!
Let's freaking go! Wow, this is gonna be a long fucking day.